Everyone talks about worldly sea-face luxury, but what if you could get the same lifestyle in Bandra? Today we are looking at an upcoming ultra-luxury project in Bandra West, and the name of this project is Godrej Bandra by Godrej Properties. In this video, we will cover project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Godrej Bandra is an upcoming ultra-luxury residential development which is spread across approximately 4.25 acres in the Bandra reclamation area. The idea is to bring a worldly sea-face style lifestyle right into the heart of Bandra with a sea-facing home, large private deck and a premium living experience. This entire development is thoughtfully designed to offer a celebrity-style lifestyle with a strong focus on privacy and advanced security system. The expected possession timeline for the project is around 5 to 6 years, and this project is ideal for buyers who want not just luxury but also status and exclusivity. Talking about the location and connectivity, so Godrej Bandra is located in one of the Mumbai's most premium residential zone. Connectivity is a major advantage, like MET Institute is just approx 4 minutes away. Lilavati Hospital is just 5 minutes away. Western Express Highway is just 5 minutes away. Bandra Worldly Link is also 8 minutes away. Geo World Drive is just 10 minutes away, and the Mumbai Airport is approximately 19 minutes away. This location offers a perfect mix of connectivity, prestige and lifestyle. Talking about the amenities, so Godrej Bandra offers a resort-style, ultra-premium lifestyle focused on comfort and exclusivity. You get an exclusive clubhouse, a rooftop swimming pool with a city and sea view, landscape terraces, a state-of-the-art fitness center, spa and wellness zone, and a smart home automation feature. And the apartments are sea-facing with a panoramic view and come with a large private deck. High-end security ensures complete privacy and peace of mind. Talking about the pricing and configuration, so the 3 BHK apartment starting with a carpet area of approximately 1,800 square feet, 4 BHK starting with a carpet area of approximately 2,500 square feet, and the 5 BHK starting with a carpet area of approximately 3,000 square feet. Price starts from approximately 75,000 rupees per square feet onwards. Penthouses are also available on request, and large layouts and premium specification place this project in Mumbai's top luxury segment. Talking about the booking process, so the project is currently in the pre-launch phase with EOI open for early buyers. Entering at this stage gives you better pricing and access to the best inventory. Projects like this, sea-facing in Bandra West and by a reputed developer like Godrej, are extremely rare. So if you are looking for an ultra-luxury sea-facing home in Mumbai with a strong lifestyle and status value, then Godrej Bandra is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing detail, or to schedule a private site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.